Hi everyone and welcome to Tremiti Islands. Known as the pearls of the Adriatic Sea, the Tremiti Islands are one of the most naturalistic destinations in the Mediterranean because of the beauty of its crystalline waters, rocky coves and steep cliffs. This place favors my visionary way of telling the world, once said Lucio Dalla, an Italian singer who lived here. Tremiti Islands is an archipelago composed of 5 small islands located close to the northern coast of Puglia. Here you will find nature, history, sunshine, tasteful Italian food to make your holiday memorable. So, if you happen to be around here, what do I suggest you see? Pagliai are a huge limestone rocks with a spectacular scenographic effect. The best place to appreciate the pagliai at the Tremiti Islands is the Pagliai beach, which among other things is probably the most photographed place in the archipelago. The island of San Nicola, the historic island of the Tremiti archipelago, is not only a spectacle of towers, castles, necropolis, abbeys and bastions, but also hosts an enchanting town made up of various buildings built in different eras. The Angevin castle of the Badiali is the main historical attraction of the Tremiti Islands, dating back to medieval times, year 1294. Perhaps the charm of the church of Santa Maria Mare comes from the white reflection of the stone of Swabian origin that constitutes it. A curiosity, the furrows on the facade are the result of some cannon shoots fired in 1808 by the English fleet. Don't miss the 2 cloisters behind the Abbey of Santa Maria al Mare. Perhaps not everyone knows that in the wide plain of the island there is an extraordinary greco-roman necropolis. A boat tour organized by tremititour.com can allow you to explore all the attractions of the coast, such as caves and much more. So, why visit Tremiti Islands? Because if you look up from the skyline, you can see impressive fortifications, ancient abbeys and medieval villages. At sea level, polychrome caves, secret beaches and small bays surprise you. And under the seabed you find a protected natural reserve that preserves all the colors that can be admired in the sea. I think that's more than enough to come and visit it, don't you think? To reach Tremiti Islands, visit tremititour.com and for food and accommodation tips, read the video description. And don't forget to subscribe to my travel channel.